Morning, Stratford School. Mrs. Caravan here. So we're going to check on the rock candy experiment. So I've got two jars here. So this first jar is looking pretty good. I see a bunch of crystals growing on that stick in there. There's some crystals growing on the side and on the bottom, but that's okay. That's supposed to happen. So this one's looking pretty good. I can get a pretty good shot of those crystals on the side too. They're looking good. This jar, on the other hand, was the last jar that I filled. And it's a big pile of crystals. So I think what happened on this one was it started to cool too quickly. So those crystals, those molecules of sugar, were trying to come out of that water too fast. So they were just forming all over the place. So the reason we put the sugar on the stick before we stuck it in was to give the crystals a spot to attach to. They would get attracted to those crystals to form. And that is working pretty good on this one. This, I'm pretty sure, just cooled too quickly and they just formed everywhere. So my other jar, I pulled the stick out to see a better look at what's going on. So this is looking pretty good. I can see all the crystals forming on there. So I would leave, if your crystal's looking pretty good, leave it in your jar for another week. I'm actually going to try reheating the jar that this one was in. That's another technique you can use. If you reheat your solution, take your stick out and let it dry completely. Then reheat your solution till it's all dissolved again. And then just put your stick back in like we had originally. You might get some even bigger, better crystals. So I'm going to try that with this stick and see what happens. I'll let you know. Alright? Have fun growing your crystals.